Okay. I'm gonna use this ducky, and this is gonna be the person because this toy is even tiny than she. Oh, are you okay, Ibby? I'm gonna pick up a mug. Okay, ready, set, go! La 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 la. Look, I have an idea. He's her daddy. He's her mommy. He's her mom, yeah. He's her mom. Alright? La 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 la. And what are we gonna play about them? First we are gonna play. I know. We are gonna play She Has a Baby Sister. Yes, wait, what? Here, I'm gonna bring the peach clay. No, not like this. Not like this. Put it back. Put it back. Look, they both are gonna stand outside the gate and with their baby. Come on, baby. Oh, she fell down. Okay, I'm just gonna get it. Okay. She's gonna have her. Okay. Ding dong. Hello, meet your baby sister. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, I'm a sailor. They're not even become a monster. I think it's done. Okay, let's go. Let's set all of those toys here. I just don't want it to get black. All right. Now, guys, are you ready to see the ramen? 1, 2, ta-da! Wow, it's all ready. Look at the ramen. And it's not a fake one. It's a real one. Yeah. Let me just mix it for a bit, then it's done. Yeah, for a little while. Can you hold the stove? I am silly. Why did you call me silly? Can I drink some? No. Now the knot is off. Now let's take out the ramen. Let's put it at the table. I'm gonna remove this tray. Let's put it on the tray. Let's put the ramen. I'm gonna remove this dough. So we can make some pizza with the dough, right? Hey, we need a plate. Oh, yeah. Come on, Ibby. What are you waiting for? This is going to be my seat. But I'm not going to let Flora come on the table. She might eat the ramen that we need. Yeah.
Where is she?
Come on, Ibby. All right. Okay. Okay. All right, let's do this. So delicious. Also the jug. Why? We can drink some water in it. We're gonna put the jug maybe at the floor. Oops. Why is the ramen always falling? Oh, Raymond, stop. Mr. Raymond. We can eat. Oh, yes. Oh, look. And you can put the ramen in your plate. Okay? Okay, so I should not drop this plate. Is it your plate or my plate, Ibby? Of course it's mine because I am putting the ramen. I also want to put the ramen. Look at the ramen. Your turn, Abby. Thank you. Okay. Pour it at my place. But we can eat this later. Your plate is too small, like a baby. I know. And you should take tiny ramen because your plate is small, my plate is big. Alright, we can eat this ramen later. Okay, let's go sit down. Let's put the ramen on the stove. And put mine here. And I'm gonna have a chopstick. Okay. like this. Can I eat just like you? Oh no! Oh, it's alright. Oh my god. Oh, we are finished. And now let's get some more ramen. Okay. Alright. Let's go put more. No. Hey, Abby. Abby, you spilled a ramen on the tray. Oh, sorry, Ibby. Never mind. It's okay. Okay. I'm going to put it in yours first. No, in mine because it's me. I know it's you, Ibby. I also want to scoop some like you, Ibby. You can't scoop some when you're gonna put it in yours. Okay, now. Okay, scoop. Oh, there's tiny ramen. And now for me, I'm gonna use. Please for me, Ibby. Here you go. Now I'm gonna put mine. Give me it. Fine, Abby, why do you always use a chopstick? Because I want to act like Korea people. Oh, really? Yes. Oh, we pour water. Yeah, you know. Let's go eat. I'm gonna eat with a chopstick. It's spicy. Oh. I'm also gonna try a bite. That was so spicy, right? Now I'm gonna eat mine. I'm gonna eat mine. Okay, I'm gonna try a bite. It's gonna be so. So spicy. I really want to drink some. No, the ramen is almost getting finished. I want to eat it all. Me too. Hey, Abby, I'm saying do not eat like that. Oh, fine. I think using a chopstick can not work well. Remove this mug. One of the water was spilled. So put it on this table. Yes, not on the table. It's so yummy and delicious. I will. Oh, oopsie. My phone. Yes. Okay. Ramen is finished. My ramen. Okay, I'm gonna drink the whole water. Hi guys, now here's Flora! Flora's too big! Oh yeah, look. What is she doing? Don't sniff it, Flora. She's so soft. I think she's ruining it. I'm gonna take her. Okay, bye! Visit our channel and subscribe for more videos.